Contractors, flippers, please do not do this when it comes to rehab funds. I'm Jason, owner of Jaken Finance Group. You can find us at the website in the bio, comments, whatever, wherever you're watching this, or call us. Call me. We can go get some coffee, whatever. So I had a client call, potential client. He got a loan with someone else, but he called to get 30 grand in rehab funds, and that it made me ask him, didn't your hard money lender give you rehab? And they're like, well, yeah, it's an escrow, but I need to pay the contractor up front. And to me, first of all, I believe contractors should get paid on time, sometimes ahead of time, because they're going to be paying people, all that stuff. But here's the problem. So he's 30 grand sitting back in escrow. He also wants 30 grand to pay the contractor up front. So that rehab is double leverage. What happens if the contractor walks or goes over budget? Now he's got to pay 60 grand back. And I know he didn't pull on it, but he's got $30,000 obligations. I know he didn't pull on it, but regardless, he's got two of those obligations now, and no work is done to the house, or the work's done late, wrong, deadline, whatever. So my recommendation to him was, okay, meet the contractor in the middle, split the rehab up into smaller chunks, explain to your contractor that I got to do this on draws. That's how most hard money lenders work, and try to work something out, because in the event that things go south, the contractor is protected because he can always put a mechanics lien on the house. The borrower is not protected. He has to go chase down the money if there runs afoul or something like that. So problematic to double leverage rehab funds. I'm not saying it goes south in all cases, but as a lender myself, it kind of worries me when someone gets themselves in that kind of situation. So I would recommend against it. I mean, even if you want to borrow like 5 or 10 grand and say, here's 10 grand, get 10 grand of work done, then I'll get a draw and then I'll pay you back and we can recycle the 10 grand instead of doing such a big chunk up front. I do come across these types of scenarios quite often. And so I'll post more videos about them, but it's just something to be aware of so that you're not double leveraged on the rehab. And if things go south, the person, in charge of the project, the borrower, is somehow protected, because the contractor is protected, whereas the borrower takes a huge risk. That's what I wanted to talk about. It's more of a caution. If you need funding on a fix and flip or long-term rental, short-term rental, new build, whatever, go ahead and use the link below. We'll talk soon. See you.